Some of us squeezed out a little sunshine today, but mostly clouds dominating our skies.
This is the story of my life. I set the expectation so low that when there was sun, people were like, this isn't so bad. You know, it's kind of the way I like to operate when possible. This is a look at the satellite picture, and as Pat mentioned, we did squeak out a little bit, and we did it right over Portland in the middle of the day, so I think that had some impact as to how it felt. By the way, this is just the satellite. When it misses images, in the animation, it looks kind of funky. It's just missing two shots there. But overall, you can see we are now almost all cloudy, and the rain is starting to thicken up a bit. I think today kind of played out as we thought, where we saw just some isolated showers and a good amount of cloud cover, but now as the afternoon and into the early evening, starting to get some more consistent rain out there. And if we look to the south and west, there's quite a bit left here. Now, we're not going to drag all of this through, but from New York on, that area of the precipitation will come through tonight. And I think the heaviest stuff will likely be along the coastline, where we'll see a couple of moderate downpours possible. Temperatures pinned in the 40s. Could see some fog in there as well as the atmosphere saturates at the low level. So it's just not all that pleasant tonight, and even through the first half of tomorrow morning, it's still a little bit showery. There'll be a period of time, though, late tomorrow morning through about the middle of the day, we could get a few breaks of sunshine once again, and then we destabilize and get more showers tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. And here comes the colder air part of the system, just starting to sink in and changing over to snow in Millinocket. Eventually, I think, over to some wet snow, possibly in Bangor and all the way to Bar Harbor, although I do not think there's any real accumulation to be had here. The real accumulation is over central and northern Maine and the mountains. Notice, though, on Thursday, we're pretty far away from the precipitation over western Maine and southwestern Maine, so I think we may actually see some sunshine there. That's because the upper level low is out here, so the farther you get away from it, the better chance you have of having some decent weather in there. So I think it's kind of a different situation over western Maine on Thursday and Friday. Northern Maine, though, and down east Maine, we'll see some rain and some snow, and it will be accumulating. Models have waffled a little bit on how much snow. Greenville had 10 yesterday, now it has 7. They'll be accumulating snow basically from this line north. South of there, I don't think we'll see, for example, an inch in Augusta. I think what that's telling you is we could see some flakes in Augusta. Same deal with Bar Harbor, where there could be some flakes mixed in there. We do recover for the weekend. Saturday's fine. It's mostly cloudy, temperatures in the low 50s. Sunday could be very nice, especially by comparison, where we'll be about 60 degrees with some sun. We break out Sunday and Monday, guys. If you can take a long weekend, do it. I don't like our pattern that much going forward, but those 2 days are nice.
Check with the boss for me.
Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.
We'll be right back.